Hi, welcome to Viva Lambda. This is Cam speaking. This video is a part of a series about built-in functions and statements in Python. Today we are going to cover briefly filter function. When do I use it? I use filter function when I have a collection and I want to filter out certain elements of that collection. How do I use it? I express the filtering criteria as a function which evaluates to a Boolean value. The elements that are evaluated to true rest, the others are filtered out. Parts of filter function are the following. It has two arguments, the criteria function and the collection, and it outputs a generator. I'll explain what generators are in another video. Here in our example, we see isEven function, which checks if its argument is an even number. As you can see from its signature, it returns a Boolean value, so it is our criteria function. We apply it at line 6, then we start iterating over the remaining elements using a for statement. If you don't know how for statement works, click on the box at its right to go to the video explaining it. So, this is it about how filter function works in Python. Please do tell in comments in which context you use filter function in real code. I mostly see list comprehensions used for filtering purposes, so what's your take on that? I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. See you around.